Hello.
Hello,
Your name, please?
My name is Paulina
I'm Mariusz
And where do you come from?
from Poland.
Okay.
from Polandia.
Polandia. Okay. Cześć.
Cześć.
Ja, ahowo.
Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry. Okay. Now you are in Museum Pusaka, yes? May I know how was your experience and your impression after you go around this exhibition room?
We like it very much.
I think it's the best museum so far in Indonesia. We've been in many lands and many islands before, but this is the best museum we've seen so far. And it's like excellent exhibition, good information, and we like it really much.
And do you have suggestion for another tourist to come or?
I suggest you to make a gift shop with the animals toys. Like, it should be good for you. Like, souvenirs items you should make also. Wooden.
Okay, thank you. Dziękuję.
Dziękujemy bardzo.
Sama sama.
We
So-
thank you so much.